Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela from gelainthekitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you very cute napkin folding. For this project, in my opinion, the best two contrasting colors napkin. In my case, it's red and white. When I start making my ruffle, I need fold first left side and after right side, so my ruffle comes out even. When I start making my pleats, very important, match right side to left side when you start making each pleat. It's very easy, as you can see in the video. The top of napkin I place on the bottom of napkin so they both match each other. On my channel I have another video how to fold napkins in shape of rose. Link will be at the end of video. It's very easy technique. After I turn out ruffle from the bottom, I ready to finish my design. I still need to hold my ruffle so it's not unfold. And now I fold in my napkin in half and it's ready to decorate any holiday table. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new video.